Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 70. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. The island is now coming into view ahead as the Alcatraz clipper begins lining up with the dock on the eastern side. The currents through this part of the bay are strong and constantly shifting, which is why every approach to the island requires precise handling. Alcatraz covers just 22 acres, but few places in the bay have such a layered history. Long before any settlement, the Ohlone people knew of this rocky outcrop and used it as a seasonal site for gathering and observation. The first European to record it was Juan Manuel de Ayala in 1775, who named it La Isla de los Alcatrazes, the Island of the Pelicans, for the seabirds nesting on its cliffs. By 1850, the United States had claimed it for military use. Its position made it a natural fortress, centrally located in the bay with steep sides and a clear line of sight to the Golden Gate. The Army built heavy barracks, batteries, and fortified citadel, turning Alcatraz into the first permanent US military post on the Pacific coast. Within a decade, the isolation that made it a good fort also made it an ideal prison. Military detainees were first held here during the Civil War, followed by the conscientious objectors and deserters through the First World War. In 1934, the island was transferred to the Department of Justice and reopened as a maximum security federal penitentiary. The prison housed some of America's most notorious inmates, among them Al Capone, George Machine Gun Kelly, and Robert Stroud, later known as the Birdman of Alcatraz. Designed to be escape-proof, the prison combined reinforced concrete, rigid discipline, and the natural barrier of the bay itself. The water temperatures average about 12 degrees Celsius, with tides strong enough to sweep even expert swimmers far off course. The best-known breakout, in June 1962, saw 3 inmates vanish on a homemade raft. Their fates remain a mystery. When the prison closed in 1963 due to rising costs, Alcatraz entered a new era. In 1969, a group of Native American activists, calling themselves Indians of all tribes, occupied the island, demanded that used federal lands be returned to indigenous people. The occupation lasted 19 months and helped spark major reforms in federal Indian policy. The faded red Indians Welcome message painted across the island's water tower and buildings date from the protest and remains as a protected historic feature today. As we draw closer, it's easy to see how this small island holds so much meaning. Military outpost, prison, protest symbol, and now part of the Golden Gate National Recreation Area, reserved for education and reflection.
Alright, how's it going, folks? On behalf of the National Park Service, welcome to Alcatraz. Welcome to the Rock. Now, as you're stepping off that ferry and onto our dock, come on over to the large building right in front. I'm Ranger Roger. I'm going to be waiting for you here for a quick orientation starting in just a little bit. Now, once again, it's going to be towards that large building with the red historical messaging right on top. Now, we're going to get started with a quick orientation in just
That concludes today's episode.
We're going to wait for more
The
of your
approach to
fellow visitors
Alcatraz
to step
Island
off of that ferry
and a look at
join
the
you here on
extraordinary
dock.
history
And then we'll get
contained
started
within
with
its short
our
stretch of rock
orientation.
in the middle
I
of
just
San
want to thank you for
Francisco
your
Bay.
patience in advance. Now, once again, folks, welcome to Alcatraz.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.